Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin and Ethereum has moved in the last week and how these crypto can move in the next week. So if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what we have seen, it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, and if you look at this chart, what we have seen, the price of Bitcoin is more getting stable as of now, because since June we have seen the price was moving in this particular zone. So once this zone breaks downside, there is high chances that we can see it can fall further down, or if it goes above a particular level, so there is high chances it can go further upside towards a level of 25,132 and then further upside. So before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. Okay, and a Telegram link also given in this way, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, which is a lower probability, but if it sustain, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $801, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching towards a level of 21,310 is there, because all these levels in between them are already a weak resistance. So probability is high. If it crosses the level of 22k, then we can see a level of even $10. Okay, and then if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $26,648, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $32,502. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see further upside. But once the price move below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18,118. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $17,448. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch further low towards a level of $16,278, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $12,341. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can go further down. But if we talk about Dogecoin, what we have seen in the Dogecoin, that the Dogecoin is continuously in the downtrend. As of now, what we can see, it is moving in this particular zone, so there is high chance it can fall further down towards a level of $0.04832, and from there we can see it can move further low, because there is high chances that the price can move further. But if the price sustain this level, then only we can see it can go towards a level of $0.06846, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $0.09292. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then there is high chances that it can go further upside towards a level of $0.12373. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now if we talk about as of now, what you have to understand, if the price move up that level, then there is towards an uptrend, we can say it will start for this particular zone, because this zone has not been come for so long. Okay, so now if we talk about Ethereum, what you can see, that it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, and there is high chances it can go further down. Okay, so if there is high probability that we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1134. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $868 also, and then further down the price move below that particular level. But if this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 1428 is there, and if that level goes further high, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1,665. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching further high towards a level of 2071 is there, and then further upside if the level sustain 2071, because this range will break upside, so probability is high, we can see it can go further upside. But if we talk about Litecoin is also moving in this particular zone. As of now, what we have seen, all these crypto I'm discussing all moving in a particular range. Okay, so if we talk about Litecoin, we can see that it is moving in this particular zone. So if this zone didn't sustain, then there is high chances of moving towards a level of $40.58, because this zone lows is 40.5, and all these resistance you can see are already being tested here. Okay, at the level of bounce back towards an upside, but a resistance forming at around $48, so it can move back towards downside. So probability is high, 40.58 is a strong support. From there we can see a bounce back towards an upside, but if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further. Okay, but if the price sustain this particular level, which is trading at around $51.88, then we can see it can go further up high towards a level of around $58.85, and if the price sustain that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $66.65. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, then is high chances of going towards a level of $94.55, and from there we can see it can go further upside if the price sustain this particular level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.